Greetings, Chris Viola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. Today we're taking an updated look at the Google Bard quote-unquote AI search. It's been updated, it's been improved, and it's still dumb as a box of hammers. I've actually already done these queries here because the big improvement is you're supposed to be able to use visual search now. So I gave it what I thought was a pretty decent example. I need to replace the lead acid battery in the battery backup for my FiOS internet connection. It's a fiber connection. And so I uploaded a picture of the battery, which I had already used to purchase a replacement through the strange voodoo of reading what was on the battery and ordering a replacement for that model. So I uploaded the photo of the battery to visual search as something that I might actually do, and typed in the prompt, where can I purchase a replacement battery? And Bard's not very helpful response was, I am not able to help with that as I am only a language model. It is not only a language model, it's also a stupid language model, because 2 queries earlier, it had actually offered a place to purchase a replacement, but not for the battery, for the entire unit. So one of the things is about Bard is it's evidently a Ted Lasso goldfish. It doesn't remember the question from 2 minutes ago. The initial one, again, experimenting with prompts, which is always so big with these quote-unquote AIs, I uploaded the photo and just typed in the word replacement. This actually gave me the most valid answer, where it looked at it, diagnosed what it was, and sent me to a place to purchase the entire backup unit. Okay, misunderstanding on my part because I just typed replacement. So I tried battery replacement, and instead of telling me, kind of tells me, it just says you can purchase a new battery from Verizon. But you'll notice up here, it gives me a link, and now it doesn't give me a link, or even tell me a third-party maker, or any information about that. And then, of course, I tried to be more specific. So I went from the battery replacement prompt to where can I purchase a replacement battery? And of course, that shut it up completely. So it may be new, it may be improved. It's still an artificial intelligence that's as dumb as a box of hammers. So that's it for this week. Viola out.